global trade war tensions intensified this past week, the financial markets will continue to keep tuned into changes in the economic landscape as well as in central bank monetary policy. One of the main points of focus in the week ahead will be the Reserve Bank of Australia's interest rate decision, which comes on Tuesday, and where analysts widely expect the benchmark rate will be maintained at an ultra-low 1.5%. This according to a Bloomberg News survey. The RBA had left its rate unchanged at its previous meeting in early June, with policymakers citing several geopolitical risks that have been recently affecting financial markets, including political developments in Italy, as well as the direction of U.S. international trade policy. RBA Governor Philip Lowe said Australia's economy is likely to grow a bit above 3% on average this year and through 2019, amid positive business confidence and rising investments in the country's non-mining sectors. However, uncertainties over consumer spending remain concerning, with households increasingly saddled with debt and with incomes generally growing more slowly. Meanwhile, there will be less new data coming out of the Asia-Pacific region, with the U.S. markets closed Wednesday for the Independence Day holiday. The week will start with an update on South Korea's CPI for June, followed by a fresh report on Australia's trade balance on Tuesday. Investors will also get new Taiwanese inflation data on Thursday, as well as a report on household spending in Japan. Following the weekend, there will be fresh figures on Australia's business confidence, as well as measures of China's consumer and producer price indexes for June. China's inflation rate has slowed significantly compared to its levels earlier this year, running close to its 2018 low of 1.5% in January. At the same time, May's PPI rose to its highest peak since the start of the year. While prices of food in China rose at a much slower pace than in April, transportation and communication was among the categories that showed slight upward pressure. Against this backdrop, China's three mobile players, China Telecom, China Mobile, and China Unicom, have been generally benefiting from healthy consumer spending in the country, which has helped keep the pace of its annual economic growth rate at a stable 6.8% clip. This along with real estate and exports. Visit the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.